Hi, it's Kay here, and for those of you who I haven't talked to for a while, welcome back. And it's December, less than a week to Christmas, so a lot of people are getting ready for Christmas. They're getting worried, they're getting stressed, they're getting anxious. There's family dramas. What will I buy? What will I cook? And it can be so easy for all of that to take over and to lose track of the spirit behind the holiday season. So, whether you celebrate Christmas, Hanukkah, or anything else, I just want to take this moment to wish you all a wonderful holiday season. And if you are feeling stressed, then there's a couple of things you can do right now. And one of them is number one is to stop what you are doing, sit down, and take a long, slow breath in and breathe out. And do that about 5 times. And you will notice as you are breathing out, you will notice that your levels of stress and anxiety will go down. So that's my present to you for the holiday season. It's to take a moment for yourself. A lot of us as women get into the groove, if you like, of feeling like we need to do something for everybody else. And my challenge for you right now is to do something for you. Take a moment, stop, slow down, and breathe. And as you breathe, breathe out all of those feelings of anxiety, etc. And as that happens, and as you feel that, oh my goodness, this is working, I feel so much better, then focus on doing something fun. And it doesn't matter what that fun thing is. For some people, it might be going and grabbing a book and reading for 5 minutes. For somebody else, it might be walking outside, in the bush, on the beach, or even just down the street. What about if you went out for 20 minutes and had a coffee, or called your best friend who you haven't talked to for ages and just have a quick chat about how you're doing and listen to them about how they're doing? So fun doesn't have to be something that you spend a lot of time on. It doesn't have to be something you spend a lot of money on. It is something you can have right now in your life by stopping and making the decision to have some fun. Because if you don't, then this holiday season can take over and can become more of a chore than something to enjoy. Now, for those of you who don't know, in January I am running a free online workshop on how to have fun in 2023. So if you haven't signed up, click the link below and I hope to see you there. In the meantime, happy holidays to everyone. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season and I'll see you soon. Bye.